Provider Network. The Provider Network page allows clients to search for, connect with, and manage traffic management service providers within the SmartRoads platform. The Find Provider section allows users to search providers using a company name or email address. A help panel explains the connection process, including searching for providers, requesting access, and waiting for approval before booking requests can be created. The Connected Providers section displays all approved provider connections. Each provider card shows the provider name, contact email, and current connection status. Connected providers are marked as ready for booking requests, allowing clients to submit jobs and requests directly through the platform. Clients can also request to disconnect from a provider using the Request Disconnect option. Any disconnect requests are displayed in the Pending Requests section, including the request status, date submitted, and disconnect reason. Overall, the Provider Network page gives clients a simple way to manage provider connections, monitor request statuses, and control access to traffic management services from one central location.